everybody, it's Taylor, and today I'll be showing you how to download shaders and Optifine for Minecraft 1.12.2. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your browser, your search engine, whatever you use, and then you're going to click, well not click, you're going to type Optifine, then go to their website, optifine.net, I'll leave the link in the description, then go to their download section, and then choose the Optifine that you'd like. There's different versions like Optifine HD Ultra, and then there's a different versions. So I go for the most recent, which is this one, which was actually done on Valentine's Day. I'm just going to download it, and then yeah, as I said, I will leave the link in the description. This is just loads of other crap. Yeah, so you're going to download that, and then so you're going to want to drag this onto your desktop. But you're going to notice that when you try to click on it, it's going to say Optifine, whatever, cannot be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. Just click OK, and go to the App Store. Go to your system preferences, and then go to your security and privacy, and then down here it will say Optifine, blah blah blah, was blocked from opening because it's not from an identified developer. So just click open anyway. And it'll say Optifine is a application. Do you want to download it? Do you want to open it? Just click open. Now close this. And now it's gonna show like where it's going to be. So just click install. And now Optifine was successfully installed. Just click OK and leave that. So now if you were to open up Minecraft, you will see that what version you'll play, it will have a specific version of whatever version you have chosen from the website. Let's say I chose Optifine 1.10 or something to download, or like 1.10. It would be Optifine 1.10. So I chose 1.12.2. So you're just going to click on this version. Click on the version that you downloaded, unless you have other mods. Then just let that open, and now you're going to actually want to find some shader packs. So you can do different. You can do what you want really. Just search up. You can search up shader packs for for 1.12.2 if you want. Optifine, and then you could just choose whatever shader packs you want to use. See, there's tons out there really. So just choose whatever you want. If you want the exact version that I'm getting, I will leave the link in the description. So just choose whatever one you want and download it. And now you have the folder called shader. Right, I'm back. Sorry, my camera well, not my camera. My screen recorder just decided to not record and be really annoying. But basically, what I did is I just downloaded a shaders pack off the internet by just searching out Minecraft shaders pack 1.12.2 Optifine, and then I just dragged it to my desktop over here. That's what it is. And now we have the shaders pack. And I will also give you the link in the description of this folder, which has many different shaders packs. This is what I tend to use really. This has got loads of different ones in here. So then you can just go onto your options, the video settings in Minecraft, and then you see in shaders you'll have nothing in here currently, but that doesn't matter. For now, just click your and if you want to look for different packs, if you click this button, there's different packs here, but I don't really recommend using these, for these are old versions. Like, yeah. But anyway, moving on. You're going to want to click the shaders folders. If you've downloaded Minecraft texture packs, you would know that it's the same kind of concept. You click this and drag the folders in. But if you haven't, that's fine, because I'll be showing you how to do that now. So then you just grab your shaders pack, and then you drag it in. And then you might want to restart Minecraft, but I will also show it with level 1. Because these ones tend to be quicker to download. But here, yes, look, it's coming straight away. I tend to find some of these shaders packs, some work for Optifine and some don't. So I'm just going to put the link in the description to this big folder. where you can just drag in whatever Shaders pack you want to download. Well, you don't really download, you just download this big folder. It's a big selection. So I could grab this one if I wanted to as well. Or I could get everything, but I don't want to put everything on there right now. I want to sort through ones that I like. So then now you've downloaded your shaders, and you can just select which one you want. I guess I'm going to choose this one. Oh, okay. And then click done. Done again. Now you just go on to whatever world you want, I guess. Now you can enjoy your shaders. And I'll give you a quick preview of this one. And I have noticed something that I thoroughly dislike. I don't like this big glare thing, and I tend to find people that don't like it either. So if you want to disable that, quickly just go to options, video settings, back to shaders, and then go to the shader on and click shader options and turn lens reflection off to get rid of this kind of glare. I don't have to explain it. It looks like the sun's rays, but I really dislike it. You see, it's gone now. Anyway, yeah, here you go. Make sure your computer is very strong, I guess. Strong, that's not the word. It's like very, yeah, strong, I guess. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you can successfully download your shaders pack. That'll be all. Bye.